In this lesson, we will learn how to change the drawing units in Revit. When we create a new project using a metric template, the default units are millimeters. To change the units of the project, I will go to the Manage ribbon and I will click on the Project Units icon. As soon as I clicked, the Project Units window appeared. You can change the units of the length, the areas, the volumes, the angles, and the mass density, among others. In this example, I will click on the Length button, and the Format window will open automatically. At this point, I will expand the Units dropdown and I will select meters. To define the precision of the length, I will expand the rounding dropdown and I will select the 2 decimal places option. From the unit symbol dropdown, I can define if the unit symbol, which in this case is meters, will appear next to the number or not. By default, the none option is selected, so the unit symbol does not appear. I will expand the drop-down menu and I will select the second option, which displays the letter M after the number. Now, if I change the units to centimeters, the unit symbol changes automatically to cm. However, I will change the units back to meters and I will close the window. Just like that. I can change the units of any other format.